Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Wanted to do a follow-up video on the One UI 6 watch beta that I've been running on my Galaxy Watch 6 Classic for a little less than a week now. Let you know what my thoughts are. I'm going to go ahead and go over battery life, let you know if it's worth installing the beta and running it to test it out, and let you know what my final thoughts are on the upcoming features and what I've noticed. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, first let me say the One UI 6 watch beta has been fairly good. I haven't had a whole lot of issues with it. There are a couple bugs I've ran into, which I've already reported to Samsung in the beta community. One thing that I've noticed is while I'm wearing the watch, if I'm moving my wrist around, it will automatically switch over to the workout screen. So I'll be doing something and then all of a sudden this screen shows up as if I'm getting ready to do a workout. So they are looking into that. Not sure what's causing it. I haven't been able to reproduce it on a regular basis, but I did send in a bug report, so I'm hoping to hear back on that. The next thing I wanted to talk about is battery life. Unfortunately, my battery life seems to have taken a hit running this beta. I was usually getting 1.5 to 2 days battery prior to the update, and I'm now getting a little over a day. So I think that there may be some battery drain there. I do have a screenshot of the battery, but currently let's just take a look here at what we have battery wise. So right now we're at 71%. And if we go in there, it's going to show that I have less than a day of battery. So I've got 23 hours, which to me is just not very good. I'm hoping to see some improvements with this. I don't use the power saving mode. When I do go to sleep, I do put it into the sleep mode and use that. So that does save a little bit of battery. But if we scroll down here and we look at the usage, if we go down to battery usage, you can kind of see like the always on display, which I just recently turned on. That's using about 6% so far. And we've got the health app and the assistant. The One UI Watch Home is only using a little over 1%. So, and the Google Play services seems to be fine as well. So I'm not sure what's actually draining the battery on this, but I'm hoping that they do improve this. As you can see, this says 5 hours and 58 minutes used since the last full charge. So I just had to charge this earlier today, and I got a little over a day in battery. So hopefully Samsung's listening and will improve the battery before the final release, which we're hoping to see on the Galaxy Watch 7 and the Galaxy Watch 7 Ultra. Okay, next up, let's talk about the fitness aspect and how that's been working as far as on the beta. So I did do a short workout today, and I'm going to go ahead and compare this with my Garmin Epix Gen 2 that I have here as well, so we can kind of see where the differences are and how close it is. Okay, so on the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic, you can see the calorie burn was 260 calories during today's workout. And if we look at the Garmin here, we can see it's 234. So it is off a bit in the calorie burn. My Garmin is usually what I use for accuracy. In the Garmin, let's go ahead and take a look at the rest of the metrics here. And let's see what it says we have for steps. Okay, so we have 2,865 steps. Yeah, so you can see my Garmin here only has 505 steps on it, which is over here. But I'm noticing the accuracy is not too far off. The heart rate seems to be right about the same when I'm wearing these. So overall, the fitness seems to be working pretty well on the Galaxy Watch. So that is something that I'm glad to see. The animations and the speed on here is much faster, I've noticed, from the previous version. So as you can see, this thing just really flies just using the the rotating bezel here. If we go ahead and open up an application, so let's just go ahead and swipe up, and we'll go ahead and open up our messages. You can see that it's just really, really fast and zippy. So there's definitely an improvement in the performance of the watch. So that is definitely a plus to see. So let me know in the comments below if you're running the One UI 6 watch beta. And if so, are you running into any issues? I'd like to know. And what are your thoughts? Should others run this beta and test it out? Appreciate you watching as always. If you enjoyed the video, please make sure to give us a thumbs up. Consider subscribing to the channel and click that bell notification so you're updated with new videos. We'll catch you in the next one.